to fix Google Drive not syncing. First, you want to simply make sure that you have a stable connection over here. If you're having any kinds of problem while syncing to your Google Drive, swipe down on a control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. After that, what you want to do is you want to simply open the Drive app and make sure you're signed in into the correct Google account over here. Tap on your profile and you'll be able to find your accounts available on your device, and you want to simply make sure that you're logged in into the correct Google account over here. And by doing so, you'd be able to, after that, what you want to do is you want to simply restart the Google Drive app. If you're still having any kinds of problem while syncing over here, you'll be able to pause or resume your syncing as well if you're using Drive for the desktop over here. If you're still facing any kinds of problem while syncing, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again and verify that your files have synced or not. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.